What is going on, guys, and welcome back. In this video we're going to be creating a new blog here in the blogger section. So what we need to do, we need to just hit create new blog, and this is the pop-up that is here, and I need to enter the title here, which will be, so basically you can create a blog on Cricut, you can create a blog on technology, you can create a blog on iPhones, on development, Android development, or anything like that. So what I will be doing, I'll be just web dev blog. So I'll be just creating a blog on this web dev blog, and here in the address, what I'll do, I'll just add web dev blog. Now let's see if this is available. This is not available, so what I'll do, I'll just use web dev blogs. This is also not available. If I just write web dev, this is available. So this blog is available, and now what I need to do, I need to just choose any of the theme, so you can browse more themes and customize your blog later. Okay, so what I will be doing, I'll be just going with any of the theme. So the theme that I'll be going with, this one is basically I think great. So I'll just hit create blog, and my blog account will be created. So now you can see that my blog is created, and if I just visit this, there will be my blog, which will be coming up here. This is the link. I can just open it up in a new tab, and here will be web dev's blog. So this is my blog, which is coming. This is the menu, which is also coming, and this is about the author, and this is a search. So this is looking pretty well and amazing. And now, so guys, thanks a lot, guys, for watching this till here. In the next video we're going to be creating some pages, and then we're going to be moving on with all these stuff. So stay tuned, and goodbye.